Earn money on YouTube without showing your face. Isn't it amazing? Today, I brought 4 powerful faceless YouTube ideas for you. You don't need to show your face. You don't need a fancy setup. You just need a strategy. Hi, this is Subhi here to support you in this earning journey. Number 1 is finance and investing. Highest paying niche, tease saving, investing money tips, high RPM, high earning potential. Number 2 is AI tools and automation show how AI works. Tutorial side hustles, automation. People are searching for it. Number 3 is psychology and mental health, mindset tips, human behavior, evergreen content, and loyal audience. Number 4 is make money with AI. Case studies, freelancing ideas, and AI side hustles, passive income methods. Monetization, YouTube ads, affiliate links, digital product, and sponsorships. Start with one niche, use AI tools, stay consistent, and follow for more smart earning ideas.